Hello
Hello
friends,
friends,
welcome back to
welcome
my
back
YouTube
to my
channel.
YouTube channel.
Friends,
Friends,
in
in
this
this
video,
video, I will
I will
show
show you
you
how to
how
allow
to
all cookies
allow
on Mint browser.
all cookies on Mint browser. Guys,
Guys,
you
you can
can
do it
do it
easily by
easily by
following these steps.
following these steps.
First,
First,
open Mint
open Mint
browser.
browser.
Then
Then
you can
you
see their
can
many
see their
options.
menu options.
Click
Click
on
on
three dot
three
at top
dot
right corner.
at top right corner.
Then you
Then
can
you
see their
can
settings
see their
option, click on it.
settings option. Click on it.
Then click on
Then
privacy
click
and
on
security.
privacy and security.
You
You
can see the
can
cookies
see
option,
their
click on it.
cookies option. Click on it.
Then
Then
click on allow
click
using cookies
on
option.
allow using cookies option.
Finally
Finally,
guys,
guys, in
in
this
this
way
way,
you
you
can
can easily
easily
allow all
allow
cookies on
all
Mint browser.
cookies on Mint browser.